everybody. So good first thing in the morning. Gotta have my coffee. Anybody else need some go-go juice? I mean, just saying. So yeah, today, getting ready for the day, let's talk about what we do to our skin in the morning. And I am, which you guys probably know by now, I am a pretty big believer in all natural products and finding things that are as clean as we can possibly get them. We don't want all those extra harmful chemicals in what we're putting on our skin. So with that, you know, I'm pretty big into all natural skincare. Well, today we're going to talk about our natural mineral, sheer mineral base makeup options. Now, why, I hear you. You're like, look, why on earth do I need sheer minerals? And you may even have some misconceptions about sheer minerals that maybe you think it's not going to last as long, or what I have found with Lemongrass Spa products, that is not the case. For one, they are clean. They are actually what they say they are. So there are no parabens, there's no retinol, there's no sulfates, and I'm reading this straight from the catalog. There's no mineral oil, there's no triclosan, half the words I can't pronounce. There's none of that. It's only stuff that I can actually pronounce. And our mineral makeup is so good. Guys, I gotta tell you, I used to use, I've been on this whole clean living journey for years. And I'm not gonna name names because I do not like product bashing, but look at your products. I used some mineral makeup, or what I thought was mineral makeup, for years. And then I read the label and come to find out it was not clean. It had some talc and some other things in it that are really bad for you. So I quit using that and I switched over to the Lemongrass Spa mineral makeups, and I love it because it is clean. So I just want to say, look at your labels, know what you're putting on your skin, right? Fun fact, it only takes 26 seconds for whatever you put on your skin to absorb. How crazy is that? So you've got 26 seconds to go, oh, no, should not have done that, and wipe it off. Yeah, so with that in mind, let's get down to business. This is what I picked up when I first started, when I wanted to try the lemongrass makeup. This starter set is so affordable, so worth it. So we're going to use this today. There are two items I'm going to use that are not in it, and that's the primer and the mascara, and we can talk about how to get those added to your purchase in a bundle if you're interested. But I do like to start with the primer. I love the way this feels on my skin. It makes me feel so smooth. So I do like to start with the primer, and I'm going to do it. And you notice I'm doing it down my neck because I put makeup on my neck. I want it all to blend. I cannot stand to have that whole makeup line thing going on, you know, or the two different color skins. I'm going to use our powder, our mineral powder foundation. I want to show you guys that it does, in fact, have coverage. Okay, a lot of people are like, oh, really? Okay, so y'all see this right here? These are some areas that they're almost gone. I'm so excited. That I have been targeting with my lemongrass skincare routine, and they're almost gone. First time ever in the history of my entire life. They've been almost even sort of gone. So I can't wait. I think they're going to be completely gone very soon. So I sifted a little bit into my lid. I put it on my kabuki brush, and then I'm going to rub in a circular pattern. Y'all see that? You can't even see that little red spot right there. Okay. Now, the mineral powder foundation. Oops, I almost forgot. I was going to show y'all something up there. Okay, so the mineral powder foundation actually looks better as the day goes on. Who doesn't want that? I mean, come on. The longer you wear it, the better it looks. Actually, when I first tried it, I contacted my friend who was my consultant at the time, and I was like, oh my gosh, I've never had a makeup where when I sweat, it looks better. And she laughed at me and she's like, that's the minerals. The minerals are reacting with your skin and with your sweat, and it glistens, it looks better. So, hello, yes, please sign me up. All right, and so I'm just going in a nice little circular motion. Now, if I have an area that I want to have a little more coverage, then I just put a little bit more on. All of our mineral makeup is layerable, which is great, right? So I am going to target just those few little spots that I'm almost gone. I'm just gonna cover them. Now I could have got the green concealer and use that underneath it, and that works as well. But y'all look how well that covers. Nice even coverage. All my red is gone. So excited. Okay, so that's the first thing that's gonna come in this kit. This is the starter kit, right? So, and it's gonna come with a 3 ounce, well, 3 gram, sorry, 3 gram size. Guys, my first 3 gram size lasted me almost 6 months, and I use this every day. It was crazy. Now I've got the full size, which is 9 grams, and I mean, this will last me for a long time. All right, so the other thing that's gonna come in there that we're gonna use is a concealer. It does come with a concealer, your choice. You can do the pink concealer for those circles under your eyes, the green concealer or to cancel out your red spots, or you can do a skin color concealer. I'm showing you guys the pink today because I love this little hack. I use it under my eyes and I use it as a primer for my eyeshadow. And I'm gonna do it right here because I have learned that I am not good at doing eye makeup on camera. So I'm putting a little few dots. Yes, isn't that beautiful? Look like I'm getting ready for a travel something. It's good stuff, right? All right, so I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna blend it under. Because I don't like to have a lot of like pink right there. So I will go back, but you guys know makeup, I mean, everybody does it different and you can do it however you want to. The point is how great this stuff works. So I like to go back with just a little bit of my foundation right there under my eyes. And voila. You're also gonna get a blush, and it comes with a full size Sheer Minerals powder blush. I chose Hibiscus. It's customizable, so you can choose whatever color you want. I like these because, again, I can get multiple uses out of this one item. And it has a sifter, so I just put a little bit in the lid. And then I'm going to brush some blush on my cheeks. This is my hack, y'all watch this. Same thing, I'm taking my blush and I'm gonna use it for my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use it to give myself just a little bit of color. So this is why I say that you can start, this kit really does have everything you need with the exception of mascara and primer. And you could always add those later if you needed to. I do recommend the mascara at least, if nothing else, so you can get the full face look. All right, so there we are. Blush, concealer for my bright eyes, so bright and happy. Blush as eyeshadow, and that is a full-size blush. Now, we're gonna finish off with a sheer veil. This is just gonna give us that photo finish look and help our, my 4-year-old likes to play with my makeup, and I let her, hey, come back in here, please. Because I don't have to worry about this harming her skin, which is another bonus. You don't have to worry, like when I'm holding my, my baby, I don't have to worry about stuff rubbing off on him because you know, it's all good. Like it's clean products. It's not gonna hurt him. And it just doesn't get much better than that for me as a mom. All right, so that's gonna give us, see how even that helps? Yes, and that kind of sets and helps it stay. And then we're gonna add our mascara. Now, again, I'm sorry, I have to do this with a mirror. use your blush as a little bit of color on your lips if you like. It's kind of a matte color. Just kind of gives you a matte look to your lips. But it's a super easy hack, good way to switch over your products. Check out our other stuff. Watch for some more videos. I'll show you some nice hacks and tricks and things like that. If you like what you see, make sure you like and follow my channel. You can find me on Facebook as well, LiveNatural, or you can find me under the At Home Artist. All right, guys, stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to finish my coffee now.